Here in Lake Tahoe, we love the ducks. Mama J, watch out for Mama J, okay guys? Watch out for Mama J. That's right. Lake Tahoe, we're at Pope Beach, just enjoying the sun. As you can see, tons of people chilling, hanging out. We got the beautiful mountain. This is one of the luxuries here in South Lake Tahoe. Pope Beach. Enjoying graduation day. You got this guy. What do you think about popping around the world, dude? What do you think? Alright. Got all kinds of goodness out here. This is Lake Tahoe. And I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's to come this summer. Alright. This guy. Hey, do you know King Bob? King Bob. Looking for King Bob? Alright. Yep, so stay tuned. We got a lot of South Lake Tahoe beach action coming after this summer. Be ready. Hey, did you find King Bob? King Bob. No? What about Gem Pops? Nick from Gem Pops? Hobie the Kid? How about Mama J? You know Mama J? Better watch out for Mama J. Yep. Watch out for Mama J. She likes some ducks. Fuego en mi corazón.